Ever faced an account error in your Facebook Ads Manager? Suddenly, the smooth sailing of your ad campaigns hits a snag and you're left scratching your head. Well, the account error is most likely due to a payment issue. It's like the red light on your dashboard, signaling that something needs your attention. So what should you do? First, ensure that your payment details are accurate and updated. Double-check the expiration dates on your cards. You don't want an expired card stopping your ad campaigns in their tracks. Also, check for any outstanding balances. Just like after a delightful meal at a restaurant, you need to settle the bill before you leave. Next, make sure you haven't reached your spending limits. It's like having a full shopping cart, but not enough room in your trunk. Lastly, verify that there are sufficient funds in your account. You wouldn't want your campaigns to grind to a halt because of insufficient funds, would you? Now, how do you go about fixing these issues? Start by clicking on the hamburger icon in the top left corner of your business manager. Then, under All Tools, click on Billing. This will take you to your payment activity page. If you spot failed under payment status, it's time to put on your detective hat. Probe into any issues with your bank account, credit card, or outstanding balance. Next, click on the payment settings box in the top right corner. Confirm that your country is listed correctly. On this page, you can settle any debts under the Amount Due section by clicking Pay Now. Check your spending limit to ensure you haven't exceeded it. If you have, it's time to adjust your budget. Update your payment information by clicking on Payment Methods. Make sure everything is correct and up to date. To prevent future payment failures, consider removing your account's spending limit. This way, Facebook won't stop charging for your ads once you hit your limit. Ensure there are enough funds on your card, and adjust your payment threshold to match your card's limit. Adding a backup payment method can also save the day if your primary method fails. Lastly, double-check your card's expiration dates and CVV code. Keep in mind your payment method should be available in your country, not associated with too many accounts, and have a CVV code. And there you go. Follow these steps and you'll be back on track, running your ads smoothly with no account error in sight. This video is sponsored by LinkTools.Online, your all-in-one AI marketing tool. Remember, a stitch in time saves 9. Keep an eye on your payment status and avoid unnecessary disruptions. Happy advertising!